Well, this could be fun. Maybe not. This is a Wagner paint crew. Ultimate house painting tool. So somehow I doubt that highly. Anyways, it came to me in sort of trash condition. It was really only here to be burned up. The lines are all full of paint and it hasn't been cleaned the last time around. But I thought it'd be fun to just sort of take it apart and explore how it works a little bit. Okay, so we got clearly some sort of pressure regulator thing going on over here where I assume it's also totally full of bugs. I think it's disgusting. But looks like that little tip pops out when she hits a certain pressure, turns off the motor. Now I've got it wired up here just to see if it runs. And that's the noise I'm used to. Paint sprayers making. But look at what this thing does when you crank it all the way. I can't believe it's supposed to run like that. This thing just flies. Motor, let's see. It's made by Johnson Electric. That's who makes the motor. Well, let's pull power and see what we can get. Maybe there'll be some cool fittings or something we can use. Oh yeah. You think that's a problem? There's your problem right there. It's all done gunked it up. Yeah, I bet that's not the only problem. Some nice Allen head stuff. Be able to reuse those, I bet, somewhere. I was worried I'd have to do some fancy stuff to get it apart. This thing's hell-bent on falling apart. Ooh! Look at that planetary gear set. That's how they get their horsepower. Out of this little, crappy little motor here. They get it out of the planetary. They spared no expense in the quality of their screws. Hell, they spared no expense in the quality of their motor. That's a brush spring that just broke off. Now how are we supposed to race this motor now? Piece of crap. Well, I'll figure out some way. Another one. Okay, so pushes. Nice thrust washer, look at that. I don't know what I'd ever need it for, but boy oh boy, if you did. Looks like Durlin gears. Huh. Maybe those would be spacers, but I don't want the ring gear. I'm going to go see if that's a press fit. I'm going to go down to the vise and whack on it a few times. Whatever I find, I'll bring back. So this is what came apart. There's the elliptical. Some sort of alignment mark on it. That appears to be aluminum. Here's the shaft. There's some sort of hardened chromoly or stainless. That thing's really hard. And the housing. And then a roller bearing. Bearings we're saving. And what do we got in here? This is the pump itself, huh? There's the pressure valve. This is what would have actually triggered the machine. So it's just like a metering valve in a carburetor or air gun of some sort. There's that pressure relief switch. That's just junk. I think that's the regulator. Again, you can see why it's not working. That's the paint inlet right there. It's got a plug stuck in it. So this is the rocker, and as this elliptical went around, it rocked this, except when it rocked down, it pushed this piston right here in and out. Oh, I don't know if we're going to get that out. Alright. Let me go get some snap ring pliers, but I'm not making any guarantees. It's really badly painted in, so I'm not going to make any guarantees I can get that. But I'll try. Alright, so there's the snap ring. Look at that. Okay. Oh, well, we got the piston out, but it left everything else in there. So there's the piston itself. It developed the pressure and pumped the paint. Yeah, and it appears to be some pretty damn hard steel. Ball detent. That fit in this spring right here so that it clicked into place. Down in here we've got another. It's quite a cute little thing there, huh? I'd say this nylon pipe nipple is worth saving, except it's totally packed with dried paint. There's a lot. This is not designed to become apart, and this is not designed to be repaired. Everything's press fit into blind holes. So there is the main shaft bushing. It's a brass sleeve pressed into a blind hole. We've got the piston sleeve, which is also brass, pressed into a blind hole. The inlet strainer is a massive Allen, like maybe a 3/4 Allen. Boy, I don't think I have anything that large. Let me go check really quick. Nope. Biggest I got is half, and it rattles around in there. So that's disappointing. That's all the farther we're going to get her apart. It's not much of a tear down. Still need to figure out what to do with this little bugger. Bet I can take a grinder to that. Well, thanks for watching, I guess.